It's that quiet hour between midnight and morning. The world's asleep, but the road is awake. This isn't just a coffee run. It's a reset, a moment to breathe before the day begins. As the engine hums and the night air cuts through, you remember. Simple routines can bring peace. Forward motion clears the mind. Today doesn't need perfection, just presence, just intention. Sip the calm, carry gratitude. Let this ride set the tone, steady, focused, and positive. Morning is on the way, so is clarity. Ride easy, stay grounded, and step into the day ready.